Now, you can make your own chocolate bars with any ingredients you choose with the all-new
Chocolate bar maker.
Just melt some chocolate in the easy squeezer. Fill up the mold, add caramel, wafers, anything you like. Then chill it to make your very own chocolate bar, so you can create hundreds of your own crazy-licious chocolate bar combinations. Just heat, fill, and chill to make any chocolate bar you can imagine.
Chocolate bar maker.
Chocolate and ingredients not included.
Out now from Moose.